What up guys, Game Guy TV here, and welcome to a brand new series called Minecraft Map Building. Now, this is probably one of my favorite new series that I'm launching because I've been working on this since March, so I am hoping this turns out. So, pretty much, I'm using a two-computer setup with this machine obviously recording me, and then I have an old computer of mine that still runs Windows 10, or, that still runs Windows 7 that I am working on currently. That's going to be building everything, and I'm going to be sitting here. You're going to be seeing pretty much what you're seeing now, and you're going to be able to watch the building pretty much assemble before your eyes. I have done many different tests to make sure that this whole thing is going to work perfectly and flawlessly. So I hope over the next 5-6 days you enjoy watching this series. And this is only season 1. That's right. This is going to be a series that each map is different seasons. So this one, which is going to be House World, is season 1. And then the next one will be season 2. The one after that will be season 3. So let's get right into this. So I have a planner that I planned out, and it's complicated. I've done a ton of prep for this. So essentially, what I like doing is I pretty much like building a map without any layout whatsoever and just building the main things first with no set places. That's why I have the last episode in my planner as paths and spawn. Because to me, that makes a better map. If everything isn't planned out beforehand and you just start like building, it just makes everything so much better. So, let's get right into it. The first house I'm gonna build is a pretty basic village house. It should only take about like 10 seconds to make. So, this will be a good one to get you guys into it. So, let's get to the building. Oh yeah, and one more thing. I am on a server for this. I specifically downloaded a Minecraft server to my laptop so that way I could make this work. And I actually just switched rooms because we have an extra guest staying with us for another week or two, so I just switched rooms. The setup is awesome. Let's get straight to it. See you in a sec with a village house built. Alright guys, so we are back with a village house. Now, this is probably the most generic village house you can get. Excuse me. Could I get through? Oh, is it not going to let me through? There we go. So, as you can see, it just has a crafting table. Hang on, let me turn this back on. Okay. It has a crafting table. It has a furnace. Let me quickly do this. Let me do that and very quickly place it around here. But as you can see, it has a furnace, a crafting table, and then a bed. So, pretty basic. Next is a bit more complicated of a village house. So, let's get right into building that. Alright guys, so as you can see, we now have our second village house. I forgot to introduce this one. It's my first time doing this series, so my bad. But basically, this is it. It's a village house. There's not much to it. So the next house that we are going to be building in this episode, and it's the last one too, is a 2-story village house. So I actually went and looked at the village house, the first one that we built, and I said, you know, these poor villagers, they only have 1-story houses and their only 2-story building is a church. So, here's what I did. I took the house and pretty much tripled it, and I made it 2 stories with a balcony on each level. So we're gonna build it and then we're gonna talk about it. I will see you guys when there is a 2-story village house right in front of you. Alright guys, we are back. So let's explore this 2-story village house. Now, one of the first things you'll notice when you walk in is it's a bit cramped. That's my bad, but I was working with the space I had because I did not plan any of the interiors because it was just easier in my program to not plan any of the interiors and just wing it. Besides, that makes the map more original, which makes it better. So, you can see you have a fridge here that you open via lever. It doesn't dispense anything. I know that's what I was trying to fix that, but I obviously did not succeed. So over here you have a bed, and then you have a crafting table. And I tried to put a bed here as you saw, but it didn't work because if you go up here, there's a ladder and you need the space to drop down. So, as you can see, there's another bed and a crafting table out here. And there's no way to access the balcony from here. You actually have to go all the way up. And then there's a little gate here that you can use, and you can jump or use the ladder. But it gets you to a nice balcony here. And then you can climb the ladder back up if you have any good skill at climbing. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and this episode was a special episode because A, it's number 1, and 2, it had 3 houses that were being built. The next 4 episodes are going to be 1 house per episode, but it's going to have a lot of touring in it, which is going to add the extra couple minutes that I need to get to like my 8-10 minute video. So that has been an epic first episode of season 1 of one of my favorite new series that I have coming out on this channel. The only reason it's my favorite is because I went through so much trouble to transfer everything into this room that it's worth it. Because it wasn't working, so we swapped monitors, we swapped cables, we almost had to take the computer apart, but when I flipped it over to look at it, there was another port, and I was using the wrong port, so careless error, but that doesn't matter. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below how you guys liked this brand new series of Minecraft, and I know Minecraft is out of date. Not only is it out of date, but it's out of style. I don't care about that. People can tell me I shouldn't play it anymore, it's not popular, but I don't care, it's the only game on my laptop that works offline, so. Anyway, Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any new videos from me, and I will see you guys in the next episode of this series. Bye!